What's up guys, it's Fett again and we have a loot crate. So let's take a look at it. This here is... Ooh, Batman. It's February, I think? Yeah, it's February. Let's take a look at that. Ah, nice. Looks a little bit cheap, but... This here's the last shot of them. But it's got a lot of DC. Dimensions. We have some other stuff here. What's this? Tetris. Cardboard shit here. What's this? Secret of keys. And let's see. Power Rangers. February build. And we have We Love You. Well, not too excited. We have to take a look at the shirt. If the shirt is not good, then this here is probably going to be the last loot crate, for me at least. So let's move this here actually over there, and transform this here into a fine box. Let's see. So I've been switching over to, or I haven't been switching over, I've been getting also my nerd block, which I find actually a lot more satisfying than this here at this point in time. But yeah, that's life. So we have here. Looks like we can actually hook this up, but I don't want to right now. But let's see what we have. Looks like some. What's this here? It's a build bot. There is the picture. Okay, so that's all cool, fine, dandy. Let's take a look at this here. This here is Lego Dimensions, a fun pack. This here's the number, and yeah, that's what we're getting probably. Interesting. Let's open that up. I haven't actually had the pleasure of fiddling with Lego in a long time, but let's see, how do I open this without breaking anything? I already broke it here. I'm just gonna cut this sucker open and get it over with. There we go. Dimension. Let's see if we can build this here pretty fast. I used to be good at this. Holy crap, there are a lot of parts. Get that out of the way. Okay. Well, we have the guy here. So far so good. Let's give him a head. This way. So far so good. And then we have to give him the helmet. That's that. Smiling. And all that. So that's that. And he fell over. That's not good. Let's do this. Then we have the base. And that's gotta be this one. So he has to be something like this. There we go. And we have the gun. The gun. Where's that? Where is it? Where's the gun? There it is. Can't see. And this here's probably gonna go on. Let me look at this here a little bit. So you want this here to go like, or like here? Okay. And you pop this in here, or what? Like so. Okay. That was weird. Okay. So you can actually shoot with it. So here's a gun. And there's 2 of them. So let's see, can we do something with like so we have all the ammo like so. Okay. Yeah, warning, can shoot people in the eye. Okay. So that's for some funny thing here. Okay, blah, blah, blah. So what's the other stuff? So that's the gun. He's here, so now I need to figure out how to build that one. So I have the legs, from the looks of it. Looks like I need to do like, what's this? Should be something like, that's 1 leg, that's 2 legs. Let's actually look at this here instead. So it looks like there are multiple stuff here. Okay, so this here is like what? I need to figure this out at some point. Well, you don't want to see me bore about this here for 14 and a half minutes. And or however long it's going to take. So let's get this here cracking. Okay, we got the pen. Power Rangers. Nice. Oh, look at that. We have Luke Craig Key, something about a mystery. Okay. Put that over here. We have Tetris blocks in real life. We have founder postcard from the founder of Luke Craig. We have this here. Now we're cooking. That is a Batman head. Lego Batman head, if I remember. Look here. It is for what? It's a coffee mug? No. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely not a mug. Or it is for food, it looks like. It's like a container. So, okay, it's like a lunchbox or something. I don't know. I'm not going to use it for that. It's going to be on my... How the hell? Okay, that's definitely weird. Still fiddling around with this here, and it just can't work. Okay, this here should be able to go right here. Okay, now we got it, I think. Yeah, looks sturdy enough. So, mug or something. Weird. But cool, I can have that on my table. So now, until the last thing. So first of all, what's the t-shirt? Okay, this here is large. It's a fruit of the loom. And what is, let's look at it. 100% cotton? Okay. Let's look at the design. That is, of course, the Power Rangers design. Looks pretty cool. I'm not a big Power Rangers fan, but I was more of a Voltron guy back in the day. But yeah, okay shirt, but I am starting to get disappointed. I think I'm going to cancel this here Loot Crate now. It's probably going to be the last of it, but it's been fun so far, and that's all what it's about. It's having fun. Let's actually look at how this here We Love You. February 2017. We have the shirt here, which is okay. It's a food container. I knew it was a type of container. Now this here, if I gotten this with a what's it called, a DeLorean in it, that would have been a whole other thing. But yeah, no, not so much. We got this one here. There were others also. We have Marvel gear. We have gaming box. We have Monsters Manual. This here's Tabletop RPG Career. But yeah, I think this here would. I think I'm gonna think of something else to unbox every now and then. It's cool. It's a cool thing. I love Loot Crate, but I am starting to get a little bit tired of it, so I'm gonna take a break from it. So yeah. But thank you for watching this here. I thank you, Loot Crate, for all the nice things that I've bought from them. And this here crate was okay, but I still look back on some of the other ones that I'm more fond of, and I'm calling it quits though now. So until next time, bye.